It's just funny. People are always gonna hate, and that.
It's the world we live in now, unfortunately.
And those are the best ones, you know. Oh hell yeah! If they're not hating on you, you ain't doing nothing good. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
Hey, no bad words, okay?
Fuck you,
They're
Alex.
ladies already. They're ladies.
Yeah. I've never heard a bad word before.
No?
So you're making the frame horns, working on the frame horns today.
Yeah, that I also fuck.
Making panels for the rear, finishing the panels up, and
Panels, what panels for what? Oh, the inner panels for the trunk?
no, for where the back seats go, like that whole.
Oh, that's not a package tray, but like underneath the package tray, the inner
Yeah, on the
panels,
side,
like by
yeah.
the B panels, B pillar, I mean.
Yeah,
Got it. Cool.
that bunch of shit.
I don't know where he left the guy
On the floor?
on the floor.
But don't you want to finish the hood before you start working on this?
Well, the hood is ready on. I just have to hammer and dolly and that's it.
Got it.
But it's going to take a while.
Yeah.
You know, it's,
Well, you do not have to work on this just because we're here. You don't have to just because we're here. That's
No?
okay. No.
okay. All right. Because it's boring, you know, grinding.
That's part of building a car, though.
Okay.
What? ¿Qué dijiste?
Nah. Just hammer and dolly, that's it. It's pretty good. Was a lot of work cutting the hood in the middle.
Yeah. I mean, you started redoing that last week, and you're still kind of fixing it. It's definitely one thing leads to another. Every time you do something, it's affecting other parts of the hood.
Remember? Yeah. And still yesterday I was fighting with it.
I believe it.
Yeah.
It looks good, though.
But
Al.
yeah.
It's coming along. And I'm a fabricator, so you can trust my opinion.
But look, everything fits pretty good. Because you know when you weld it all like that, it shrinks.
Yep. Since we were here last week, how many days have you spent working on the hood? Every day? Or just today, yeah? So you worked the rest of the day that we were here, on Thursday.
Yeah.
And then did you...
Well, we was...
That's when after you cut the hood in half, on Thursday.
Okay, and then I weld the...
And then you said you were working on the hood yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, yesterday,
Well, you
Monday,
So
Tuesday.
you've worked on the hood now for 4 days.
Yeah.
More than 4 days.
Yeah, I weld all the center, you know. I
Yeah.
did hammer and dolly a little bit, but I was going to put it on to fit the
Yeah.
thumb area.
Wow. So more than 4 days for you to work on just the hood.
Just the hood. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was going to be easy. I told buddy, piece of cake, don't worry about it. Now I'm worried. I am worried. Not anymore. Now it fits pretty good. So
It does.
The hammer and dolly is easy for me too, so it doesn't matter.
We know.
But it was
we
hard
know
to
how much
figure
you
it
love
out.
your hammer and dolly. What?
Oh yeah, I love the bam, bam, bam. I love the...
I feel like I'm like almost being punished, like I'm a kid, and like my parents right behind me. Like,
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Took you long enough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cut it.
Huh?
How much?
What?
How much further back do you want to
You
go?
didn't even know what I said. fucking hot, bro. Fuck. It's fucking hot.
Oh, okay. All right.
Are you seriously too long or?
That's not what he said.
That's not what I
What do you
said.
say? Fuck, I don't even know what
I
you
said
said.
it took you long enough.
Oh. All right, Alex Jr. So you just fucking told me right now.
Really? He did? Oh man, well he just fired back with the hood.
Not done yet. We're still doing.
It's not done yet? It's not painted and everything? No, not yet? Okay. All right. Not done yet. No shit.
So these frame horns are what the bumper is ultimately going to attach
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
Are there going to be any other brackets that are going to also?
Oh yeah. We're not done.
Will this also ultimately end up supporting the bottom of the grill as well, or no?
It'll help. Yeah.
Okay.
It'll help. We'll probably do a brace off of that. Yeah. We'll also do a brace of some sort up in the fender to hold the fenders. Kind of.
Yeah.
Originally, it went here, and it held the headlights. So we'll probably do something similar. We'll hold the headlights, or I have the original ones that go in there.
They're just
So-
pretty trashed. But
Yeah,
at least it's a
no,
good
they're
guide.
actually, they're okay.
Really? Would you
but-
be able to reuse them at all, or no, because they're too far off, they're too much modification?
I'd like to try and reuse them. They fit the fender still, on them, but see, it basically goes down around right where this cross member is and all the suspension, upper control arm stuff is.
Got it.
That actually looks pleasing to look at in front of this thing now. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just so I can hear you.
Hi.
It's very inconspicuous.
Yeah. And I know this car, and so I can picture the original to this car, and it's just, that's how that car should have been made right there.
It's much meaner,
Yeah.
more aggressive.
Yeah.
Which flows nicely with the slightly feminine lines that go with it, so it all goes well. It meshes, blends, whatever the word is.
Now you see, when someone's talking about the process and someone asks me how long it's going to take,
There's no way of knowing.
there's no way of knowing on this car. I could guess all day long, and I would have never guessed that we would have been moving this hood or this grill 50 times, the
Yeah.
front end up and down 50 times, you know, changing the hood line as many times as we did, the side panels as many times as we did, to get right here. To get right here. And you can measure all day long. When it's actual on the car, then you're trying to meet it, it's only going to work one way. You only got one way, and that's it.
Crazy. It's crazy, and I can't say it enough. It's crazy how much work goes into this that you just don't see. I mean, you see it because you watch it, but then you're looking at the hood going, what?
Yeah, what'd they
It's
do?
just- It just looks like a hood. Like,
Yeah,
what's taking
when
you
we've
so long?
had that hood on, off and
Yeah.
on over the last 2 weeks, probably
And
50
yeah,
times.
and then you're going like, why? It takes you this long to do this work? Like what are you, stupid? It's like, no, there's so much to it. You do one thing and it's going to affect something else that you don't even realize. So you have to, everything has to be methodical to some extent, because then you have to try to think forward to what it could affect.
Yeah.
It's, yeah.
And that's why when you're doing this stuff, like he just tacked the frame horn on, we'll tack the other one on. I always say tack. Tack, tack, tack. Check everything, double check everything, and it'll tell a whole story.
Yeah.
So if you have to move something, you don't have to cut a whole weld.
Yeah.
But sometimes we think we have it, we weld it, and we go, fuck, we didn't have it. It was wrong. So you gotta cut it, redo it. It's a lot of work. But it looks good. The car looks really good. I'm so happy with it.
It's
I mean,
very
we're
exciting.
literally almost ready to set this on the ground and start wiring the thing.
It's exciting.
Bodie Jr.'s got the bell housing pretty much figured out, bolted on the tranny, so I think we're ready to send it over, get it cut out,
Cool.
and we'll be able to bolt all that up. So, drive line, I gotta check on the rear end, it should be here any day. We'll put in, all the rear suspension in, should be able to set it on the ground.
That's exciting.
That will be the exciting part. I'm tired of seeing it on this stand myself. I have run out of things to say.
I just want to make sure that my hand's about to fall off.
Oh, shit. All right. Yeah, I'm happy with the progress right now. We're moving. We're moving. We got all the little brackets for all the little hinge things. I figured out the hinge things. I can put the hood hinges on, all the latches in. We have all that figured out. That's gonna be good. Yeah.
Progress.
Seriously.
It's looking really good.
Yeah. Yep. There's a bunch of other stuff. Every time you leave, I go, shit, I should have talked about this, but I don't know.
We have time.
I got nothing. Well, it's just gonna be quiet while I sit here and try and scavenge through my mess.
No, I just mean like
yeah.
within our lives, we have time.
Oh, okay. Yeah.